Today we're going to be reviewing the Aliza Facial Cleansing Papers. This is a brand new skincare company. So if you want to find out how these work, just keep watching. Everybody, how are my glow tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you who are new, I am Mandy and welcome to the video. I got a package in the mail and this was from the company Aliza or Aliza. I'm pretty sure it's Aliza, and they are a new skincare company. Now, they sent me this to review on my channel. I'm not getting paid for it. There's going to be no affiliate links. And I'm sorry to say, but no codes either. We are just reviewing this, and I do give honest reviews. So we are about to put these bad boys to the test. Now, these are cleansing papers. That's right. Cleansing papers is what it's called. So we've had foaming cleansers. We've got regular soap. We have milk cleansers that just sit on your face and melt your makeup away. This is made with all natural ingredients, and these are actually papers that turn into foam when you get them wet. So I'm quite curious to see if this is going to take off my makeup. This claims to remove all your makeup, no problem. So we're about to put this little bad boy to the test. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, now before we get into the video, I do want to read a little bit about this product and tell y'all about it. Now, like I said, this is a brand new skincare line, so I'm quite curious. And I mean, packaging is honestly an A+ so far. Now, it did come in this little box. Its packaging is adorable, and it's supposed to be all natural ingredients. Now, this is the 3-in-1 Face Cleansing Papers. A revolutionary 3-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover that gently purifies and hydrates the skin, leaving it gorgeously soft and clean, free from artificial fragrances, colors, gluten, and ethanol alcohol. This is a gluten-free skincare product that is very hard to find. The 3-in-1 face cleansing paper will transform the way you wash your face. And like I said, we do have so many different ways that we wash our faces now. I think this is a very neat idea, especially if you're traveling, because when you travel, you're not allowed to take but so much amount of those little itty bitty things of liquids. These wipes or papers are actually dry and you get them wet, and they turn into a foam when you get them wet. So I can't wait to get into this. The directions: place 1 to 3 cleansing sheets in the palm of your hand, moisten with water and gently rub together until melted into a silky foam. Gently apply the foam to your face in circular motions, rinse with water, and pat skin dry. And they do have other products too that I'm just dying to try, like this one thing, or actually there's a couple of things that I'm dying to try. They got the cleansing papers, which we have today. That's what we're going to be testing out. And they are regular. They're supposed to be $55. They are on sale for $24.95. They do have an eyelash enhancing serum. Oh my gosh, that is one I want to try. And then they got a purifying cleansing foam, of course, and then a retinol moisturizer. So guys, they are just starting out. This skincare line is, but it looks like they got some pretty good product, and I will have it linked down below. But if you go on aliza.com and look at all these products, I mean, it does look like a beautiful laid out company. Now, it does have all natural ingredients. Hazel and citrus acid work together with the cleansing papers, rich leather to deep clean the skin, leaving it refreshed. Revitalized and thoroughly rejuvenated. Well, we'll just be the judge of that. Now, they do sell this, of course, on aliza.com, which is their own site, and they do have it at Amazon. Now, they do have a complete range of specialist skin products, formula allows for deep down facial cleansing and makeup removal without drying the skin out. Very easy. I think it's quick to get to. It's very compact and very, very travel friendly. The smell of it, there is absolutely no fragrance. So for those of you who are scent sensitive, this would be perfect for you. There is no scent at all. Now I'm going to go pull my hair back, guys. Let's put this bad boy to the test because I have a couple other runs that I want to try with this. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. All right, and for everybody that knows me knows that I am a full coverage gal, and I am also full glam. When I do my makeup, and it's usually daily, I mean, I've got every single kind of makeup that you could put on your face. And most of the time I do wear waterproof eyeliner, liquid liner, and waterproof mascara, especially if I'm going out to go somewhere. So I did put some water in this little bottle. So let's go ahead and test this out. I got to see how this little bad boy foams up. All right, so it says to get 1 to 3 of these wipes out. And again, this compact is just adorable. So I think I'm going to try it with just one right now, just to see, just to be curious, because we are going to put this to the test. And let me tell you, first off, feeling these little pads or papers, it feels like velvet. It just feels so soft. But this is supposed to dissipate whenever we put the water on it. So it is in my hand. Better. So here's the pad. And we're going to put a little bit of this water on it. I don't know how much. I just loaded it down. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. It is. Look at that. And it is turning to a foam. Oh my gosh, look. Look, guys, that is like soap. And it is very soft. So, we are okay. Now, so it says to do circular motions. And I don't really want to put it on my lips right this second. Just until I make sure it's not going to like totally burn me. And I hate even putting it on my eyes. But we are testing this out. And I believe I'm going to get this on here. And I'm just going to kind of let it sit. And it's not burning my eyes. And you just seen I rubbed it all over my eyes. So it says to wash right off with water. I'm going to let it sit here for just a second. Guys, if y'all can see it is like melting off my eye makeup. I look like I just left a Halloween party after a few drinks. So I'm going to take this water. And we are just going to rinse it off. Alright, so now our face is soaked. So it says to pat dry. And it does feel very refreshing. And it did not sting my eyes at all. A little bit of residue up under my eye. Wow, guys, it actually done really good. And if you can see, I didn't even put it on my lips. After I rinsed it with water, it just took off. I had a matte liquid lipstick on, and it took that off, and I didn't even put that directly on my lips. And, I mean, I see a little bit of residue, but not much up under the eyes. But the face, it just feels so smooth. It really does, guys. Honestly, my skin actually does. It feels so fresh. Now, I do have another cleanser that I love to use, but it feels like it leaves a little bit of soap residue on my face after I do wash it off, and it is one of those cleansing milks. But this is just, it just feels so clean and refreshing, and I just absolutely love that feeling. I don't feel no residue, no heavy anything, and it didn't burn my eyes. That's really important because everything that I've ever used burns my eyes, and that didn't. And it being in this little compact, I think that is adorable. You just toss it in your purse and you can use it anywhere you want. I mean, it did take off all of my makeup. It surprised me because I did only use one of those pads, and it says use 1 to 3. I only used one. So now what we're going to do with this is I'm going to do some swatches of some waterproof makeup, some long-lasting liquid lips, and let's see if it'll get that off. First things that I've got is some waterproof mascara, but I find this really hard to get off when I do wash off my makeup. Now here's one. This is the Fully Charged mascara. And then we are going to do the Tarte Lifted Sweat Proof. And we're just going to rub this one right over here. We're going to give it a little bit of room. Now we're just going to let these dry. This is a long wear lipstick, and this is one of the hardest ones to get off by my definition. So we are going to put a swatch of her right there. This is the Magical Halo Long Lasting. This is also one that wears all day long, and I absolutely love it. Also got the Seraphine Botanicals Liquid Kohl Liquid Liner. This is waterproof. So we will put her right there. Stain. We are just e.l.f. matte lip color, and it is red. I'm just curious because it being so red. The Maybelline Color Tattoo 24-hour. This is a cream eyeshadow, and we are going to take that bad boy right there. All right, guys, every one of these are dry. They are all dry. So I'm taking these, and I'm just going to sit them right on top of everything, and I'm going to get it wet because it's pretty much going to stick and foam up anyways. If she gets rid of them, you see that foam, and it feels just like milk. I swear it does. Let's see what she does. Look at the color of it now. Oh my God. And I still see a little bit of it. So I don't know, guys. We'll see. All right, guys. She is all soaked up. So we're going to add the water. Oh my God. I'm making such a mess here. An old t-shirt. Let's see what she does. We wiped. Well. Look. Absolutely nothing, guys. It cleaned it all the way off, and it does. It feels so smooth. Guys, I enjoyed this. I think this is a really awesome product. I love the concept of it being in a compact. It looks like a makeup item. It is just adorable. And like I said, it's just, well, I about lost all of the pads. But it is just like the Lumi Cushion Foundation by L'Oreal that L'Oreal makes. And of course the little pads are in here. And they are very protected along with this. And this is not really a good mirror. I mean, I don't know if there's something on it. Maybe there's something on it. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's supposed to be a mirror or not. Really, honestly, I doubt it. But I do like the product. I absolutely love the packaging. The product works awesome. I think this has replaced some of my steps in my night routine for when I am getting off my makeup. So I really like this product, guys. And if you are curious about anything from Aliza Naturals, it will be linked below. And let me remind you, I did not make no money off of this. Now, they did send me the product for free, but there is no affiliate codes. I don't have discount codes or nothing like that. So I'm not getting paid to say anything, to say whichever, if I like or I don't like the product. I am free to do that on my own. And I would totally be honest with y'all. I absolutely love this product. I really think y'all should check them out. I'm so glad that they sent this to me though, because I'm going to be using this every night. But that is it for this video, guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing this review. I hope that helped you out. And I hope you go check out Aliza Naturals. Like I said, it's a brand new skin company, and it is all natural ingredients like gluten-free makeup or gluten-free skin products. I think this is perfect. And like I said, there is absolutely no scent for everybody that is scent sensitive. So I think it is perfect for y'all. If you travel a lot and you know you can't take liquids on the airplane, I think that is also perfect. It is just toss it in your purse and go. You know, if you enjoyed seeing this review, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. I love you all, and I'll see you next video. Bye! Oh.